Okay, Axel's giving me a countdown. Welcome to Mali. Excellent, Bamako. And we've started an empirical formula problem. Let's review and catch you up as to where we are now. We have 4 elements: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. We have these percentages. They were percentages originally. This is number 75B. And through the magic of whiteboard technology, we simply change percentage to grams, right? If it's percentage, it's out of 100%. So it would be out of 100 grams. So here are the various grams: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. We're changing them to moles, not the ground variety, but the chemistry variety. So 32 divided by 12 is going to be 2.667. 2.667. And that's moles, right? And then 42.66 divided by 16 is going to be 2.666. And that's going to be moles. Are you with me so far? Axel, how am I doing? Okay?
Good. Perfect. Everything's perfect.
Excellent? Excellent. Thank you very much for the support. And then 18.67 divided by 14 is going to be 1.334. Correct? You get that?
Yes.
The rounding? Excellent. And then 6.67 divided by 1. Actually, you don't need to calculate it. Divided by 1. Thank you. That's okay. He's really excited about this. I like that. 6.67 moles. And this is moles here. Okay? So far, so good? Actually, you okay back there? Good. So, we can erase this, right? Give us some room to maneuver. All right, now, we want to set up a series of ratios. Clear? Okay? Large over small, large over medium, etc. We'll call this the large one. Okay? We'll call this medium. That's medium 1. We'll call that medium 2. We'll call that medium 3. We'll call that small. Okay? Now, you want to set up ratios, and they've got to be ratios greater than 1. So it's going to be things like large over medium 1, large over medium 2, large over small, correct? And then medium 2 over medium 1. Are you okay with that? Yes? Should we do medium over small? Yes? We'll also do medium over small. Okay? Medium 2, and then medium 1 over small. And you can see that these are really the same. Yes? These are really the same. This would be 1 to 1. Clear? Okay. So, and then you have to keep your wits about you in terms of, all right, you're setting up ratios, correct? Whole number ratios. But what are those ratios? What's in the numerator and what's in the denominator? These are mole ratios. Clear? Let me explain. So the large one, right? So this is going to be 6.67 divided by medium 1. It'll be 2.666, but that's hydrogen over, what's this? Oxygen, okay? And then, what's this? Large is 6.67 over 2.667, and that's going to be hydrogen over carbon. Thank you. Well done. And then large over small will be hydrogen, 6.67 over small, which is here, nitrogen, 1.334, and that's going to be hydrogen over nitrogen. And then the last one, it's really 1 to 1, so that kind of makes things a little bit easier, but we'll put it in anyway. 2.667 over 2.666. And that's going to be what? Carbon over oxygen. Good. Excellent. All right, so now, let me do this one. Medium 2, which is this one. 2.667 over what? 1.334. A lot of this is you're going to be able to shorten this up. This is a little bit too complicated. I'm making this more complicated than it needs to be, but it's a process. Understood? And as the chemistry student who's making these calculations, you'll shorten this up. This is going to be what? Carbon over oxygen. And then, no?
Nitrogen.
Carbon over nitrogen, sorry. And then this would be 2.666 over
1.334.
1.334, and that's going to be
oxygen over nitrogen.
Oxygen over nitrogen. Okay? Now remember, these are mole ratios. So these are moles. Moles over moles, correct? These are all moles. Moles, moles, moles. Yes? Okay? We ready to roll? All right, now we'll do in blue. We'll put the answers. Okay. Help me out here. What is 6.67 divided by 2.666? Anybody? I know, she's 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Let's just leave that alone for now, okay? 2.5. Is that okay? Yes. What is 6.67 divided by 2.667? Should be the same thing, right?
Yep.
2.5. Just leave it alone for now. What is 6.667 divided by 1.334? What is it? 5? Yes?
Yes.
And what is, this is 1, correct? And then this is going to be, what, 2?
Yes.
This is 2, and this is?
Also
Same thing.
same thing.
Same thing? 2. Okay. Now, let's erase some things to make room. All right, so we'll keep the mole ratios, okay? And we'll erase all this other stuff. Okay? Yes? You okay with that?
Yes, okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So get this. This is tough. All right, let me go over here. If I have 1.5 to 1, I need a whole number ratio, so I'm going to multiply that by 2 over 2, and that'll equal 3 over 2. Correct?
Yes.
Yes? You get that?
That's true, yes.
Okay. So, the same thing here. That would become 5 over 2, right? Correct? That's 5 over 2. So this will be 5 over 2, hydrogen to oxygen. This will be 5 over 2, hydrogen to carbon. This will be hydrogen to nitrogen, right? And this will be 5 over 1, correct?
Yes.
This will be carbon to oxygen, will be 1 to 1. This is 2 to 1, 2 to 1. You get it so far?
Yep.
All right, so now let's erase everything but the ratios in blue. Okay? Okay? Now, can you see these two ends here? Can you see this on the film? The two ends?
Yep, we can
Yes?
see it. Yes.
Okay,
properly.
good. So, what is this? Hydrogen to oxygen. What is it? 5 to 2, right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Hydrogen to carbon. 5 to 2. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Hydrogen to nitrogen, 5 to 1, as is written. Correct? Okay. Carbon to oxygen, 1 to 1. Isn't 2 to 2 the same as 1 to 1?
Yes, it is
Excellent.
the same.
So that's done. Carbon to nitrogen, 2 to 1. Yes?
Yep.
Excellent.
2 to 1.
Oxygen to nitrogen, 2 to 1. Yes?
2 to 1.
So, it's going to be C2, O2, N, H5. And that is the correct answer. You okay?